flying train is ready and going to the next station, and flying train over the very big tree and in the sky. Flying train in the sky, flying train in flying sky. It is a gaming channel, and it is a tree garden over the red color train. It is a flying train channel, Jeep Tips, and please subscribe our channel and all notification button click my channel. It is amazing and enjoyable time. It is a red color train and around the tree garden, and it is some down, and it is down and around the circle. It is around the circle by train. Just amazing. It is very enjoyable times. It is all train is around, and it is down the head train. It is zigzag train, and around the other train over it is down the train. It is a red and green color train is going. Just it is a gaming channel, and thanks for watching.